Hi there. Julie here. How goes? How's your day going? Oh, what's that sound? What? I got a Stream Deck Neo? Wow, looky! Super cute! Oh, there are pre-programmed keys on the deck already. Let me press this button. Whoa! Mr. Boxes! What? Welcome all in! We've been waiting for you! Oh, where did they all go? I can press this key to see what it does. The next one. This one. What does this one do? Oh, Mr. Box! They're passing by my place. Mr. Tent? Wait, all the boxes that arrived piled up even more by Mr. Tent? Oh! Well, that's what Stream Deck does? Those keys? Wow! This little fella is not just tiny, but mighty! Holy shit! Oh man, I cannot wait to play with this guy.